What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. I'm going to show you how to install the AR emojis on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus Mickey and Minnie mouse masks. So let's get right into it. It's really easy. So you want to launch your camera. So either just open up your camera app, or like I do, just double tap your power button. It'll bring up your camera app. From here, what you want to do is you want to go over until you see AR emoji. Let that load up. Then hit the plus sign in the bottom right. Once you hit that plus sign, now you're going to see Mickey mouse. So just tap that. And it's going to bring you here eventually. And you can hit download. Super simple to get going, guys. And it just came out today. Downloading. Now go back to your camera and go back to the AR emoji if you're not already there. And now you're going to see Mickey mouse. It's right here. Mine's going to be the second one. You tap that and now you have Mickey mouse. Hi, boys and girls. How are you? It's so nice to see you. I'm Mickey. Nice to meet you. Like that little, and then here's Minnie. So you can, take a hand. The emojis on this are a little bit wanky. I'll take a picture as Mickey too. One eye open, one eye closed. Here we go. There we go. Captured Mickey, and then you can send these over. You can do videos with them if you want. Go back here and do a video this time. Got my Mickey face on. Oh, automatically took the photo. Hi, boys and girls. It's Mickey Mouse. So great to see you. Oh, and then you can play it back. So great to see you. Oh. And there you go. There's your Disney emojis, guys. Really easy to set up and install. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I will see you down the road. Peace.